Lavna from Lexis and Company, working as an intern. Today I'll be talking about the different types of partners under the partnership firm. A partnership is when two or more people work together and share the profits from the business or the profession. Now, what are the different types of partners? There are basically 6 types of partners on the regular basis. First is the active and the managing partner, who is an ostensible owner. As the name suggests, he takes active participation in the firm and runs the business. He carries on the daily business, and this means that he is an agent of all other partners. Dormant or sleeping partner. There is a partner that does not participate in the daily functioning, and he does not take part in daily activities. He will continue to share the profits and losses of the firm, even bring share of the capital of the other partner. Nominal partner does not have any real or significant interest in the partnership. His essence is only related to the lending of his name to the partnership. He will not make any capital contributions, and nor will he share the profits either. Partner by an estoppel. If a person holds out to the another that he is a partner of the firm either by both actions or conduct, then such partner cannot deny that he is not. This basically means that even though such a person is not a partner, he is represented himself, so becomes partner by estoppel or by holding out. Partner in profits only. They will share only the profits in the firm. Even when dealing with third parties, he will be liable for all the acts of the profit only. He will share none of the liabilities. Minor partner. Minor cannot be a partner in the firm according to the Contract Act. However, a person can be admitted to the benefits of the partnership if all the partner gives the consent. Such minor partner, after attaining the majority, that is 18 years of age, has 6 months to decide whether he wishes to become a partner in the firm or not. He must then declare his decision via public notice, and whenever he wishes to continue as a partner or decides to retire, in both cases he has to issue a public notice and inform all the shareholders and other partners in the partnership.